Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can increase the text or font size on AOL Mail. So let's go ahead and start the video. Go ahead and open AOL Mail and log into your account. After you do this, you will see this type of interface. Go ahead and click on Compose and you can now start writing whatever you want. First of all, write down to whom you are sending the mail. After you write that, you can write the subject. You can write what subject you want this mail to be. Make sure the subject is specific because the person will also see this and will be informed about the subject. So you can write the subject and now you can start writing the text. After you write it, you can see that there is the option of font. You can now see that you can also increase or decrease the image. I've attached this image over here, so this is gonna work. Go ahead and start writing the message what you want. After you write it, you can see that there are options over here. This is the taskbar for AOL Mail. This is the edit bar you can call. So now you can select it and click on the font which is over here, and you can see that this is the type of font and this is the size for the font. Now if you want to increase or decrease the text or font individually, you can do this. This may look attractive and it may sound disturbing sometimes, or it may look disturbing sometimes. It's better if you keep a similar pace of fonts over here because it might not look so attractive at times. So you can do this. So you can see in the books you can write this type of letters, so this might work as well if you want. And there you go guys, this is how you increase or decrease the size of the text or font on AOL Mail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.